The sixth part of the full Firebase notification. So in this part we are going to test the notification. We have two options for that. One is directly from the Firebase console, and second is from the Postman. We're gonna check the both of them. Okay, let's start. In this is the Firebase console. Here go to engage and the messaging section. From here we can directly send the notification. I have tested this one. Let's duplicate this message, or you can create a new one. Right, title message, and next. Okay, here's two options. Either we directly select the app, or we select the topic. As we have discussed before, there are two ways. One is the token, and one is the topic through which we can target the each individual user. Okay, I am trying this general topic, as we have created this topic. Okay, now next review. Okay, let's publish. Okay, our campaign is successful. It is still inactive. Let's check. No notification till now. In the Firebase console sometimes take little time. Till then, let's check our second method. Okay, yeah, here it is. Here is the notification. When you tap on it, we go to the notification list page. Okay, let's come back and when you click the notification, we are navigated to the notification list page. We have handled that functionality here, somewhat here. When the remote message is null, if the app is opened from the background, it goes to the notification list part. I think our app is initially closed, so this method is called the get initial message. Okay, let's try from the Postman, the second method. Okay, from Postman, to send the notification, you need exactly this URL. We send notification to the Firebase console, and Firebase console send back the notification to the to our device. So what you need is, here is the authorization key of your Firebase console. Okay, let's get this key. Pass this key in the header section. Let's see from where we can get that key. Go to the project overview, project setting, and the cloud messaging. Come here. Initially, if you are trying for the first time, this is disabled. So for that, you click on here, manage API in Google console. You can see the enable button here. Just enable the API. Be sure that your current project is selected from here. After enable there, you can get the key here. If you want a new key, you can add a new server key from here. Okay, just copy it and go to your Postman and write key equal to this key and come to body. So in the in this section, we need this key value pair to send the notification. We are sending the notification in the title and body. This is the data part. If you have to send extra data like images or the route means, or to which page we will going to be navigated when you click the notification, we can control that part from here. As you remember, the route section, we are using this route in the app like this message.data, the route key, and we are getting this value there. Okay, based on that value, we can choose on which condition we can go to which page. So the main important part is this two section. If you are using the token, just paste your token here, and if you are using the topic based, just type topics / the name of your topic. We have, for another general topic, we have subscribed to this topic, so we're gonna send notification to this topic, and this will be received by all those devices who are subscribed to that topic. Okay, let's try it. Send the notification. Okay, voila. we got the notification here. Yeah, testing notification, hold your seats tight. Okay, that's it. We have successfully integrated the push notification on the Android app. This thing is generally done in your admin side, the which we are tested in the Firebase console, sorry, through the Postman. Okay, that's it for the Android notification. Okay, how do you please let me know if there is anything missing, or how do you feel about it. Thank you, and on upcoming videos we'll see the iOS notification part. Have a good day. Thank you.